You want to know what the greatest sound in the world is? They say it's... But it's not. It's this. A wise vacuum. A wise cordless vacuum with a brushless digital motor. 150 air watts of raw suction power. 4 attachments, an LED display, 6 brush headlights, an easy-to-empty and washable dustbin, a removable battery that provides up to 50 minutes of cleaning time. The most amazing vacuum ever made. Beautifully crafted for the sole purpose of gracing your ears with this. That is the greatest sound in the world. You're cute too, though.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.